Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share the latest collection of artificial bracelet designs. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please do subscribe for more beautiful collections. And if you have any queries or doubts in the video, then please do comment in the comment section. Thank you guys. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and enjoy the video. Bye bye.